everybody. Today ni begitu orang michato no, michato ni, michato ni pada nuna sinya, pada nuna tiaw ba no. Nagi le banyak lah tiaw ba muda tiaw jalan ni tiaw yang sih dunia ini no. Lu bawa dah, no. Buklo bawa dah ni, bawa kira chicken no, chicken body ni. Buklo bawa dah lusa, winter squash. Lusa no, nesua dah, tasura sanila uga. Turi ta di ta carrot, any veggie lah no. Body buklo bawa dah, ay, tahai ya kira cilantro stem no. Nako cani pasua dah cilantro root no. Lele hunan nabiya no. Nagi ita doa mo, nagi ada doa hunan ni yukesua dah abu kilo mo ni. Babuklo bawa dah ti no. Ginger, we'll need ginger too. Bloody ne, because luba weda, pasewa no garlic. Takanya kevera bulua alamo. We'll need a lot of garlic for this dish. And this is cilantro. I gave it an anabina because we had an anabina. Delta ni, I chose the ni. You could do it and the lamb. I would pasewa no. Double sewa berubah, double sewa no. Itu suka dah no. Sewa beli no, kukuali. Beli cai kiri no. Kali ni bukan cuda kuya lah no. Pada no. Amma ada bersewa jenis, ada bersewa tu beli po. Nanti dah kai no kerja ni pada. Di sewa mana? Jika malah. Sewa kal, kalau nak apa boleh mana? Ini kepala, bagai kini bersewa beli aku ni, bukan sewa dah, cilusa no, cilusa. Soya beach lo no, but soya beach. You have to peel the skin. The skin is. William aku ni kita ni berapa cari na cari aket dabi na ya dabi aku ni ikini cendela asal na asal dabi lah ni berapa baca hiang ke ini dabi ikini asal mo dah milih micot mo yo kau dah lek kamai kai hai pat bayi ba dor bayi bayi napi bayi ba te yo bawa je but akele micot no jadi Berani kini bela, so ini. Kali ni bukan lah, so bukan cara dia na, so kawan lagi bukan lah mo. Awak kita kurang lagi gila, kita so tahu lagi gila na, so tahu gila begini, so mana lagi bukan beda. Bersewa na, bersewa ada bukan lah, lemik lagi na, bukan ni. Na, cara awak so tahu ni na, wait, cara so lele lagi bukan na, so macam apa? Kita so tahu ya, betul mungkin ada begini, so ada cepun na. Pigmi ulan ni kita kecil awal dah satu hari na. Jadi, jadi ni bahasa bukunya ni. Tu buku kali na. Jawab hari ini. Ini murah jawab. Namuna Shah. Ay. Hindi ba matila usi ba mala prepare I have brown vegetable. Put water brody now. Ini tu kada dicampurana. Tak lagi lah. Nah, kuai ni kali na. This is good. We go to turn off the heat. Then ni balik na in kuai. Look, this is what we want. This is the color. Na cara lagi pen na charbi na. Pen na whole chicken in the pot. Pen tina tikli la na perlu thora na dah. Ini tikli. Lari ni, dulu ciulan ni, kepan lawa dah, dah kai na, kepan lawa dah, nawa, na biar buhi, lari ke, lari perempuan ni lah buka beraku lari ni, cuma kelana lari ni baga, there, let it go, kelari na, lari ni. We're going to cook the rice now. The garlic that we did fry. We're going to put it in the rice. I already washed the rice. Make sure you wash your rice before you cook it. If you ever like with that, we but no, that was the one thing, no? Why even this? The you have what the meat, no? With that, no? We're going to put the soup, the chicken soup into the rice, and cook the rice with the soup, okay? So I did 5 cups of rice, so I'm going to put the water till 6 cups over here. Just like you cook normal rice, but just use the soup in the rice. Okay, this is good. And I'm going to mix it like this. Mix it very. This is salt, okay? Just a pinch like this. A little bit more like this, okay? Now mix it like this. Now let's cook the rice just like the normal how you cook normal rice, okay? Pamila ne shara mi uki ulari ne ukilate abu khatila mina na we're going to wait till ara tea pam gai jebo na pam gai ne ara tea now just add more water in the soup. Now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic in the soup just to make it smell good. Kutuchi kelari na kutuchi pala namuna shawili ibali nukwane. The chicken, it looks good. I think it's tender now. I'm going to put the squash kaina. Smells so good, guys. You should definitely make this at home. Let it cook. Maybe 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, now gutuchi ga ipan la wada ta su da sa ulo ni klara li pa me chi we da gu bwe ra su ya we pe ba kwa ya je ko no on ta khe mo to take out the fat in the soup here. 1 2 and a little bit more like this. Salt, okay, put the salt in the soup and chicken powder, this, a little bit more like this. 5 more minutes and then ready to eat. Smells so good. Look at this. Wow. This is
is almost cooked. Look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. Smells so good. I'm going to mix it, stir like this a little bit so the garlic go into the bottom too. All done. So I'm going to take it out. Tira chana, chanya milina. Chanya milina kone tira chanya la e gora. I'll bet cooler now. Cooler. Ooh, look at this chicken, guys. Have a sit. Kulali, pakulala, kulali, ako ni ikorira. Malini, yaga ela na, yaga ela pre lali name. Yaga thuogyana. Okay, let's tear the chickens apart like this. Ela chanya jena, lawi. But no, always and the lamb. Always a chanya the me jena moda, the always that sauce more. Nagi yo jani bear already stored in you always a gabaya where I yet a bit of jibuno. Store, bloody you know, or run the little tall and sauce can never. I sauce can never deal with what they do at yeah, turn out kill kind of a team of you at a tea, honey, I never yet knew your bed. Again, I'm even my thilamo. Wait, you're pretty China. I'm going to put the bones in a soup, and just to make it a little sweeter, you can throw it away if you want, but I like to make my soup a little sweeter, so I'm going to put in the soup. Okay, onions go in there, nanabe, cilantro go in there. I'm going to squish the lamb in there. But no, not that cheap, no. She don't not that cheap. Eat another low my eat that. I will have give her because soup. I never feel like eat that cheap in here. Just a little bit. A little bit. We don't need too much. I'm going to put a little bit of. You can use the fresh chili or. Roasting chili like this. You don't have to put chili if you don't want, if you can't eat spicy. Because I love spicy, so I'm going to add that in there. Maybe 2 teaspoons of fish. I get a thinner, okay? This is oil. I'm going to add a little bit of oil too. Mix it. Okay, the rice is all done too. Oh my goodness, look at that. Looks delicious. Look what I just made. Soup. Ooh, so good. Look at this. Chanya. Betty, got along. Who wants to come and eat?